This is going to be a video tutorial on how to crop pictures in Facebook. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Facebook. To crop a picture in Facebook, the first thing I'm going to do is get ready to post a picture. I'm going to go on up to the What's on Your Mind area and I'm going to click on Photo Video. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, I'm going to find the picture that I want to use. It's this one right here. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Open. And there is my image right there. Now I want to crop this image. I'm going to select the Edit button up in the upper left-hand corner of the image. A new little dialog box opens up. In the pane off to the left-hand side, it gives many different options. I'm going to click on the one that says Crop. Now, anchors have appeared on each corner of my image. And all you need to do is put your mouse cursor over one of those, hold down the left mouse button, and while holding down the left mouse button, you could drag it in, you could crop it however you want. I'm going to crop mine about like that there. Then I'm going to go down to the lower left corner and I'm going to click on Save. Then I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on Post. That is how to crop an image in Facebook. Thanks for watching.